Fix a document feeder jam on the HP DeskJet Ultra 4900 printer series. If your printer document feeder stops feeding pages and the control panel displays an E4 error while the resume light blinks, the paper might be jammed inside the printer. Press the Cancel button to try and automatically clear the paper jam. If the error code continues, the next step is to manually clear the jam. Power off the printer and disconnect the power cord and any other cables connected to the printer. Lift the cover of the document feeder. Using both hands, carefully pull any jammed paper out of the rollers. Press the document feeder cover down until it snaps into place. Reconnect the power cord and any other cables to the printer. Power on the printer. If you continue to experience document feeder jams or errors, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.